Hello everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I will be unboxing my Boxycharm. So for the most part I try to wait and be surprised. But I've seen on Instagram and everywhere in the social media world what palette comes in this Boxycharm. So that is fine. I have no problem with it. Here is the little insert. And oh wow, 25% off. This is pretty cool. 25% off your next order at Laura Lee, Los Angeles. I usually never pay attention to these coupons on the back, but you know what? That's a great deal. And Smashbox too. You open it up and here it is. Live it up. What a great picture. And then it tells you what is coming in the box, which I don't want to quite read yet. So here is the inside, which now it's very obvious. I mean, okay, so let's begin with the Becca Evermatte Poreless Priming Perfector. A lot of P's involved there. I actually just got this with this when I bought the Becca, the new foundation, which update on that, the Becca Skin Love, I have tried it. It is going back. One of the worst foundations I think I've ever used. But I do like a good matte primer, but this will probably go in a giveaway because I have a backup or two. The Smashbox Be Legendary Liquid Metal Lipstick in Petal Metal. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, I bought a couple of these when they first came out like a year ago. And I wore them and I didn't like the feeling on my lips. I don't remember if it didn't like quite dry down or if it just felt heavy or gritty or what it was. But I didn't like the feeling. But I did just buy a mini one from an outlet I went to over the weekend. So maybe I will give it another shot because I do like this color. By the way, I've been seeing these at Marshall's, just so you know, FYI, for like $7.99 or $2.99, or not $2.99, $7.99 or $9.99, somewhere in there. Okay, anyways, okay, let me tell you what the retail for. The Becca MSRP is $15.18. Well, this is not full size, so it's probably $15. The Smashbox retail $21 to $24. It's just so true, I know, because I bought my own. Here is a NCLA So Rich Vitamin E. Okay, I don't know what was going on with this brand, but I had this in my glossy box, I think last month. And this retails for $18. It says, oh, glom yourself head to cuticle before a night out with this vitamin E infused cuticle oil. I have so much cuticle oil, I don't know what to do with. And I get my nails done now. Yeah, I know I said I didn't like to because it made my real nails brittle, but I changed my mind. I've been getting gel. So I will, this is going in a giveaway. So nothing against Boxycharm. They don't know what I do with my nails. Bang Beauty. Bang Beauty. Chocolate eyeliner. Use it as an eyeliner, eyeshadow base, or even to touch up your brows. Oh, that's kind of cool. This creamy chocolate tone pomade is the ultimate triple threat. MSRP is $22. I've never heard of Bang Beauty. I've heard of Big Bang eyelash from Benefit. Here we go. And this is a perfect color for me, for my skin tone. I just got my brows done today. I will totally keep this as a backup because I currently am like rotating like 4 or 5 different eyebrow items So I think I will put it in my backup drawer, but I definitely want to try that out for sure. Then we have Wander Beauty, which seems to be wandering out with a lot of different beauty products, because the first thing I remember seeing them was with the lippies. Baggage claim. When I saw baggage, I was going to be like a baggage tag, you know, like you can go out of town baggage. But okay, baggage claim gold eye masks. Wow, okay, they're gold eye masks. I have never used the eye mask that just goes under your eye. I have gotten them before in my boxes, but after a night of partying, which I don't do that anymore. But anyway, my kind of night of partying is like a couple movies and go to bed after sipping my hot tea. But okay. Who doesn't love a good eye mask? These gold foil under eye masks brighten, hydrate, and reduce the appearance of dark circles. I could use that. The hyaluronic acid diminishes the appearance of wrinkles. Whoa, I could definitely use that. While aloe, leaf, extracts, and lavender oil cool and soothe your under eye area. Oh, okay. That sounds like something I could use while sipping my hot tea and watching my movie as my night of partying begins, or intermission. But I will definitely use these. I will try probably one. If I like them, I'll keep them. If not, I will put them in a giveaway. I have literally like 10 face masks that are like these that come in my boxes. I'm not a big face mask. I usually like to use my Mario Badescu or my Clarins out of tubes, containers, and also the other one, Glam Glow. I don't like the peel kind though, but doesn't mean they're bad. So let's move on. Here we have the L'Oreal Los Angeles Party Animal. Okay, this is a Party Animal eyeshadow palette. Dare to be the life. Oh wait, the eye masks retail for $13. Don't want to leave that out. Okay, I'm sorry, I got caught up reading some else. Dare to be the life of the party with L'Oreal Los Angeles Party Animal palette. These 6 stunning shades create bold, colorful looks while leaving you ready for a night of fun. Alright, so this is 6 times 1.3 grams of product. The packaging is actually very nice and simple. It is L'Oreal / Morphe, and holy crap. Whoa! I need some sunglasses for these shades. Oh my gosh. Brace yourself. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I am a colorful person. I mean, obviously. Look at my eyes. Okay. But these are like neon, okay? And I had that one palette from Urban Decay. It was some neon freaking palette. And I decluttered it. I want to swatch these. It's a party, damage control, and karaoke. I love karaoke, even though I suck at singing. Okay. Not gonna lie, when I saw these coming out, I wanted to buy the other one. It had more neutral shades, but I didn't. So we have Drinks, Bottom Up, and Hungover. I did not buy them. And they had the bundle. This retails for $19. I love that it has the little mirror. So $19. They had a bundle for $30 where you got this palette and then the more neutral palette. I held back on buying it, not because I don't like L'Oreal. I absolutely love her regular eyeshadow, like the bigger size eyeshadow palettes. I absolutely love those. I have them, the cat's pajamas, and I'm gonna go put them on him right now. His pajamas, no, I'm kidding. Okay, I love her regular eyeshadow palettes, but I just, for some reason, I don't know, I've had like an eyeshadow palette frenzy, I feel like, so I held back on these. I'm gonna say that the colors are very vibrant. I will use this. I definitely will use it. It is a little wowing, but gosh, that pink is, oh my, I love a really good pink. Look at that. Oh my gosh, that is gorgeous. That's what I was hoping for in the Ace Beauty palettes, was a really good pinks and purples. Those are just shit. That is one of the worst investments makeup I've ever made. I have them up for sale, by the way, for $60 for all four, when I paid double that. But anyways, aside from that, I think that this could work. I definitely will try it out, and if you guys want me to do a tutorial or come back and let you know what I think about this after I use it, I definitely will. I know a lot of people had a lot of controversy over this palette being in Boxycharm. I don't know why. I really don't know why. Laura Lee has teamed up with Morphe, and Morphe obviously teamed up with Boxycharm. I don't see a problem with it. I will use the palette. I'm not saying these colors are for everybody, but I don't mind color. I was caught a little off guard. They are a little blinding and they are bold, but I will definitely use this. Again, if you want to update a review on it, let me know. So as for August, I can't believe I'm already saying August. Boxycharm, I'm gonna have to say I give it a B, maybe a B minus, only because, and it's not Boxycharm's fault, but again, I don't care for the metallic Smashbox. I already have like 3 of these for my cuticles. My cuticles are very well oiled, and I just got another size of this. So it's not Boxycharm's fault. Boxycharm is phenomenal, and I think is top #1 monthly subscription. I recommend it for anybody to at least try it out for $21 a month. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comment section below. Do you want to see me use this palette, or do you want me just to do an updated review? And if you got your Boxycharm as well, what do you think? I will see you guys soon. Bye.